Rod and Ed are putting in new flooring at the caretaker's house. We're getting a beautiful new floor in the caretaker's house. Rod,
we're going to want it up the Lombard shed. I was thinking Bob and I put that Lombard pavilion together, the machine shop and everything, the roofs and stuff inside.
It's got pretty nice.
Going off that line.
Yeah, we'll go off that line.
Okay. That's
You could take that right.
Here's the old floor just for comparison.
yeah. You want to try to cut one? Lay one down, Bob. Panel down, we'll cut one.
This looks like real wood. Beautiful flooring.
Oh, yeah.
18.
19?
Yeah, I don't know.
I just brought some wonderful fire hose for the Lombard, also the garden. We recycle this. Thank you, Ed.
Whatever, wherever.
So we got some sawmill work going on.
Yeah, hit it. Over here. Take that back. Go back.
Ready? Take it back a little.
Yeah, I've got to go back and wait for the next one. Oh, that's right now.